Oh my goodness. I'm going to change it. I'm just going to change the sign. That's all I'm going to change. Is that okay? No? Well, the problem is negative 2 is way over here. That's the problem. I'm the teacher. I'm going to change the question. I just don't stress it. So I'm going to go from 1 to negative 2 still. I'm going to go from 1 to negative 1. I'm going to go from 1 to 0.9. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 as the key instead of negative 2 as the key. Okay. Now let's talk about from 1 to negative 2. So when x is equal to 1, we have a point right here. Okay, so that's x is equal to 1. All right. X is equal to negative 2 is somewhere way down here approximately, or worse. All right. Okay, so it's going to be way, way low. All right. So in order, what the secant is going to be, this is not very accurate for any sort of slope here. All this is going to tell us is an average rate of change between 2 points, which I'm just going to find is that right there. Okay, what I'm looking there for that. Okay. For when x is negative 1. When x is negative 1, we're conveniently right here. Right? So what I'm going to do is then I'm just going to find that slope of that line right there. All right, are we okay on what I'm doing there? Okay. Finally then, when x equals 0.9, we're going to be up here like this. Somewhere like this, approximately. So the graph is going to be sort of something like that without a ruler. All right? Are you getting the logic of what we're doing for the secants there? Does that help visualize it all or not really? The green line is 0.9. So this is C. This is B. I could probably keep these going too, right? Oh, goodness. And this is A. So you see what we're doing there? We're just finding the slopes of 3 different line segments there. That's all we're doing. Not how you do it. Okay. So then we're just going to do exactly what we did the same thing. So what I want you to do is use the power of technology to solve this for me. Right? You look unhappy. Don't be unhappy. We're 7 days into advanced functions. 6 days into advanced functions. Yes. What's that? That's all it is now. That's all it is now. Right? As I said, this is relatively straightforward, and all the word problems will say Billy rode on a bike. This path was this. What is the speed from 2 to 5 seconds? What is the speed from 2? Like that's all. Okay, so I'm going to pause. I want you guys to do this for me, please. And then we'll keep on. Solutions here. So part A was blue. So it was f of 1 minus f of negative 2, all 1 minus negative 2. F of 1 is 6 minus negative 48. Over 3, which is 54 over 3, which is 18. Is that right? Okay. And that makes sense with a positive slope here, right? So that's reasonable. For part B, which I'm going to do in red, which is going to be f of 1 minus f of negative 1 all over 1 minus negative 1. For 1 was going to be 6 minus 0 all over 2, m equals 3. And then going back to, does the answer make sense? If we look at this, the slope is a lot less here than that one. Letter C should hopefully have a negative slope, which should be f of 1 minus f of 0.9 all over 1 minus 0.9. That equals 6 minus 6.897 all over 0.1 equals negative 8.97. So you can just confirm those for me. Just tell me that.
Isn't B negative 5 minus?
Oh, you can do it that way too. You should get the same answer, I think, shouldn't you?
No, I got negative, I got that. Yeah.
Yeah, that will. Okay, so let's say, okay, apologize. Okay, let's say that we do it back to this way, and you do equals f of negative 2 minus f of 1 all over negative 2 minus 1. Right, that's what you're saying to do it this way. Okay, at least that's what you're saying to do this way. F of negative 2 is negative 48 minus f of 1 is going to be 6 all over negative 3, which is going to be negative 54 over negative 3, which is still 18. And if we go back to Mr. Lacey's class in grade 9, whether you find the slope from here to here or here to here, it's still the same slope. Right? It could be either one you use. So the same thing, just watch the signs. If you got a negative, so they're positive.
Okay,
Because
so
both terms.
if you switch one of them, you have to switch one.
Yeah, because it's the same thing. It's like f of 1 and 1, right? And then f of negative 1 and negative 1. Like it's got to line up for both of them. Okay. All right, you got about 10 minutes left here. If you want to get started on your work, you can. Here's the homework for tonight. Page 62. You don't want to go above for the rest period? Nobody. Fine. 12 minutes left. It's like, we have 2 questions then.